Hello everyone, you are watching AWS and Machine Learning, and current topic for this lecture is data types and data transformations for machine learning, and this is part 3. If you haven't watched previous two lectures, please continue. So although this lecture may be seen as an individual lecture, and and this is about lowercase transformations. This is lecture number 23 in the series, given by myself, Shanaz Malik, and I'm a data scientist. Now, as I have said, that the lecture will be on lowercase transformation. So let's keep it to the point. All of you should know that we are dealing with at the moment what kind of data types we might encounter while in a machine learning project. And currently we're talking about text variables, and so let's understand lowercase transformation. So here it is. So lowercase transformation process converts text inputs to lowercase. It's simple, to the point, nothing special, nothing difficult here. For example, given the input, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and if you see that it's all in a camel case, which means every word begins with a capital K, and the processor will output. So if we do the lowercase transformation on this string, okay, given in the quotes, we will get this string output string as the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. All what have done this transformation have done is to convert any capitals into lowercase. Doesn't whether it is at the beginning or at the end or in the middle, doesn't matter. It will convert it into, transform it into lowercase. And if you want to apply lowercase transformation to any variable, in our case var1, so we'll do lowercase var1, and that's going to implement lowercase on var1. Okay, so to the point, nothing's difficult. Please subscribe to my course if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in next video. Thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. Remember, sharing is caring, so don't forget to share this video, and until next video, goodbye.